I'm going to show you how to insert rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get this done, you need to select the row next to where you want to add or you want to insert the column. So let's say, for example, if I select this one, this column will be pushed on the right hand side of the inserted column. Then once you've selected the column, you need to right click, then click on insert. Then as you can see, the empty column has been added on the left hand side of the row which we had selected. Now again, if you want to insert another column on the left hand side of this column, we are going to select the column, then we are going to right click, then we are going to click on insert. Then as you can see, the column has been inserted on the left hand side of this column here. So in order to delete these columns, we are just going to select the column, then right click, then delete, then select the column at the top there, then right click, then delete. Now to add row on this table, we are just going to go to the farthest part of the row, then we are going to select the row, then right click, then insert. Then the new row will be added on the top of the selected row. So again, if you want to add another row, we are going to select where we want to add the row, then we are going to right click, then insert. Then as you can see, the row has been added on the top of the row which you had selected. So identify the place where you want to add your row and select the row which is beneath it. That's how you can insert rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.